Last day in Arusha, so I'm here at the Cultural Center, and my tour guide this morning, Charles, is going to show me a little bit of local culture. Let's go.
So this carvings is called, it's representing the Ujamaa carving. Ujamaa is a Swahili term, which means like togetherness or socialism. So this is made in popular in the southern Tanzania, the Makonde carvings.
What's this made of?
It's ibon tree.
Oh,
tree. The famous ibon tree.
Tree.
Yeah, so that they have the log and then they cut from there.
Okay.
So they made out from the log.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we see many of them portraying different things and different meaning.
Okay. Yeah. Excellent. Excellent.
Yeah.
Then this would be like a representative carving.
Yes, from that
category.
Yeah, from that category. So
okay.
Makonde carvings.
And what are we looking at? These are like the people.
Or? Yeah, doing different things and different things. So we saw another one. So that's what we call it, like tree of life.
Okay.
There's people doing different stuffs. The tree of life. The blue stone is Tanzanite.
Okay, so this is Tanzanite, which is what's Tanzanite?
Tanzanite is a gemstone which is only found in Tanzania, all over the world.
Oh.
So it's 1,000 rare than diamond.
Wow.
So it's a very precious stone.
Okay.
And if you look on the collection there, the one which is blue, that's Tanzanite.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a very precious stone.
These are all Tanzanite.
These are all Tanzanite. It's only in Tanzania.
And
if you look at the big one also there.
Wow.
Yeah.
So these are basically, they use Tanzanite to make jewelry?
Yes, they make jewelries, and it's only found in Tanzania on the lowland of the slope of Mount Kilimanjaro.
Okay, yeah. So Charles, if somebody's coming in here and they want to buy the best deals on Tanzanite,
yeah.
How are they going to be guaranteed that something is real versus something that might be fake?
Yeah, so like this store is one of the big store and authentic. So you come at cultural heritage, they'll give you a certificate of authentication.
Okay.
But also the good thing about Tanzanite is going extinct. So in the next 10 or 20 years, it will be depleted and the value. So now it's a store of value.
Okay.
You know, so people are buying it as an asset because the price will triple. It's something like a Bitcoin or something.
So they're not discovering new mines
it's only
of
in
Tanzania?
one area. It's only in one area in Tanzania, and it's going extinct.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah.
So folks, get your Tanzanite while you can.
Yes.
So many of you folks out there have heard of Dr. Jane Goodall, the world-renowned chimpanzee expert. She's going to have a museum coming to Arusha, Tanzania. So that's going to be something that they're developing in the future. So those who are fans of Dr. Goodall plus Safari, this is going to be a great place to come to. So a lot of things here, and they're actually building a museum.
This is Ujamaa art from Tanzania, from the southern Tanzania, made by the Makonde tribe. It's part from the southern Tanzania. This is Ujamaa, which means like togetherness. It's from a tree. You can see they carve it from there. It's a tree of life.
Wow.
So different people doing different things as a community.
So something like this, Charles, would this be made by one carver or a team of carvers?
No, it's a team of carvers.
It's a team of carvers.
It takes a long time.
How long do you think this would have taken?
Like a month or two.
Oh, that's still pretty good.
They're working on it from a log of a tree.
Wow.
And they still carving it. Yeah.
There's all carvers' names.
The carvers, yeah.
Migration, the Great Migration.
Migration carving.
And you know what I might do for this one?
Yeah.
I'm going to mix this in with video of the real.
Yeah.
Right? So show that and then show the art. Okay, if you loved up Great Migration and those crazy river crossing, here's something you can actually take home that will remind you of it. So here's some interesting paintings. You got paintings of animals, you got paintings of local people, tribes here, different styles.
And these are also different painters, different carvers.
So here's a question for you, Charles.
Yes.
What topic in the paintings seem to be the most popular among tourists? Do they go for the animals or do they go for the tribes?
So like
what have you seen? Yeah.
People have different interests.
Yes.
People have different interests. So there's some people who are really interested in tribe.
Yes.
So they would like to buy like a Maasai paint.
Okay.
When they see the Maasai, they want to see Maasai paint.
Yeah.
But also some people, they're more into the animals.
Yeah.
So they'll see a paint and they'll like the paint and they want to buy the paint. And the good thing about these stores, you don't have to buy and take it with you. So they can ship it for you.
Okay.
It's like a big paint.
Yeah.
So just pay and then they'll ship to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any feel in terms of percentages? What percentage of paintings sold are animals versus more of a cultural?
No.
Any estimates?
Estimate, we can say I would say 50-50.
50-50?
Yeah, depend. But also it comes with countries.
Okay.
So I like Germans. They really like a painting of animals. For the eyes of this one. So from where you are, if you come all this way, it will still also. It's looking at you.
Well, yeah,
Oh
yeah. The line's looking at me.
It's 180, yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's sold.
Yeah.
It's sold. This is locally made furniture.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes. Handmade.
Handmade.
So, yes. So you can see like carved, the coffee table, and some chairs. It's a
Okay.
foldable chairs.
Ah.
Yeah.
So like this, these are also African paintings,
Yes.
but with a different style, more of a
Yeah.
cartoon type of
Yeah.
style rather than being realistic. But
Yeah.
people are into more of a
Yeah.
cartoon type. You get all sorts of here. What exactly is Big Five?
So big five animals is elephants, leopard, rhino, buffaloes, and lions.
Okay.
And the why big five? They were given the group as the big five because these are the easy animal to be identified, but also they have a high value in marketing, but also they are difficult to hunt between themselves, and also for the earlier hunters during the colonial time, it was difficult for them to hunt. So whether you miss it, they come and kill you. That's where the group does the big five animals.
But also, we have also small five. So maybe you can talk about the small five.
Small Five.
Yeah, so for the small five, we have ant lion, a small ant with a brown color. We have rhinoceros beetle. We have elephant shrew, leopard tortoise, and buffalo weavers. These are the small five.
And is there like an ugly five?
Yeah, we have
Yeah.
ugly five. The ugly five one is gnus, which is wildebeest, warthogs, Pumbaa from the Lion King, marabou stork, vultures, and also hyenas. So you'll never see their smile. That's why we group them as the ugly five animals.
Okay. Or Big Five paintings. Big Five. So Charles, I noticed that there's a lot of masks here.
Yeah.
Were they actually used as real masks? And when would they be used?
So these are like a mask from different places in Africa.
Yeah.
And they are used for different things.
Okay.
Culturally, for celebrating their culture, but also for meanings. So like let's see like this one from Liberia, Dan mask from Liberia. It's a tribal mask for artists and taste of the patron and while local conversation occur. So it's a different mask, different meaning.
Okay.
So some of them like signify the title of the person, like maybe a chief
Okay.
or a king, but also for different tradition. Like let's see this one is a wooden mask shell. Yeah,
So these are all real and authentic.
these are real and authentic. Yeah.
Okay.
So they source them from the tribe.
Okay.
And the brass mask, wooden mask. Also this one also Nyamwezi. It's also from Tanzania. Yes. So for ceremony, like celebrating something.
They're masks.
They're masks too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With birds.
Here with beads.
Yeah.
These will look good on the wall, I guess. Yeah.
Usually they're used for decoration purpose in palace places.
Wow. So these would usually be made by women?
Yeah, mostly by women.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent.
That's a ceremonial clothes from
So,
Nigeria.
oh,
Yeah.
Nigeria. Okay.
In terms of people who are artists, whether they're painters or carvers, are you seeing more interest among the young to learn these skills, or are most of these artisans, are they usually older people? What are you seeing in terms of trends among the artistic community here?
So yeah, I think sadly it's mostly older people, and more young people, really into technology and everything. But so in some most of these are tribal inheritance. They're inheriting like the Makande are the very popular covers in Tanzania. So most of them, they are really older, but we have middle-aged people also. But we have also like very few young people who really go into that area. But
Okay.
in painting, that's different. So there are more young painters than carvers. So painters is still young people doing, but carving sadly is mostly older in mid-age.
So what are these, Charles? These are earrings or something?
Earring
Good
with
pricing,
some
but-
of them with beads,
Okay.
some of them with painting. So there's all earring with different design and different meaning.
So who made these usually?
So, mostly the beads are made by the Maasai women.
Oh,
So it's mostly
okay.
women, Maasai women, women groups.
Look at these giraffes. So what are these made of there, Charles?
This is just wood.
Oh,
It's made of wood, so it's carving also.
wow.
So, but these are refined carving, so they're smooth woods. But these are not hardwood. It's soft wood.
Okay.
Because like nowadays, hardwood is very expensive to get.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice.
Different also carvings. Like you see, like different animals. But you can see this is different woods.
Oh yeah.
So you can see it's like a different one. This is ibony.
Oh, so the black carvings are also wood.
Yes, wood, but it's ibon tree.
Okay.
It's very expensive wood. Yes, ibony.
This is very realistic with the spots of the cheetah.
Cheetah, elephant.
Okay.
Very
nice.
So different animals, but also Maasai warrior is hunting the lion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
He's got a full load.
It's food market. Get everything. Banana, peppers, onions, beans, sweet avocado.
This type of market here.
So this is called Maasai Market. It's
Okay.
in Arusha. It's very popular because most of these art here are handmade.
Okay.
And they're made by local people. And
Okay.
you actually see some of them they are doing it on the ground.
Okay.
So it's mostly the community of painters, carvings, and small stores. So this
Okay.
one, when you go to buy here, you are supporting the local people and the local.
So these are all authentic items.
These are all
These
authentic,
aren't made in
yes.
China.
No, these are all authentic and made mostly in Arusha by the local artists.
Okay, but in this case, probably bargaining and haggling would be the general rule. There's no sticker prices for here.
No, yeah. So the thing is like you bargaining is an art.
Okay.
So when you come here, so it's an experience. Also, you have to find where you are happy to pay. So
Okay.
when they give you a price, you can say what you can offer.
Okay.
Depending on how happy you are, then you can compromise.
So you recommend, if they recommend a price, would you go down as low as 50% of what they offered
So
and
yeah,
work
you
from
can
there?
You can go because I mean here is like I say it's bargaining and
Okay.
people here they say business is when you're happy you can give your offer.
Okay.
So you can go half price and then it can go up and then you can go mid and so that's like so also it's a fun way of shopping.